Got a package from the Rabbit Hole. Super cool YouTube channel, by the way. Go check him out. Let's open this up. Subscribe to his YouTube channel. Hell yeah. Check this out. Oh man. What an awesome guy. That is so cool. I really appreciate it, man. All of my subscribers go subscribe to his channel, because he hooked it up with like a legit oil catch can. Thank you, man. I really appreciate it. I've been preparing my whole life for this one moment. Launching myself with an airbag. It's about to go down. Now, I don't know exactly how I'm going to launch myself with this airbag. But if you want to see it happen, be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe and turn your notifications on so that you're alerted when this airbag launch gets uploaded. Okay? Now, this is a short video, but you know, it's just so that I could prepare myself and prepare all of you for what's about to come. I've been preparing my whole life for this, okay? I've already fucked up my back, you know. I've already shattered my femur. I've broken both arms. Broken all fingers. You know. As long as I don't break my femur again, I'll be fine. Because that was the worst feeling in the world. So prepare yourselves, ladies and gentlemen. The launch is more than likely going to happen this coming weekend. Give me enough time to prepare. Goodbye, everybody.